Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 127. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram story highlights. So if your Instagram story highlights aren't showing or it isn't loading or it isn't working at all, then let me teach you how. First of all, open your mobile phone and open your Instagram application. As you can see, if I go to my profile, and as you can see on my highlights, it is working all fine and it is being loaded. But if it isn't working for you, then let me teach you. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not stable, then you should restart your Wi-Fi, then it would be working all fine. Now, after that, if it is still not working, then you should check if your Instagram app is on the latest version or not. Go to Play Store or go to your App Store and search in Instagram on the search bar like this and open the Instagram profile. As you can see, my Instagram is on the latest version. And if it is still not working, then you should reinstall it by uninstalling the Instagram and reinstall it again. Or go to Instagram again, then log out by going to settings, scroll down a little bit and log out from your existing account and log in back again. Then it would be working all fine. And that's how you fix Instagram story highlights if it is not loading or showing. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.